everybody. Welcome to another edition of Burping Contest with Girls. We don't have a clever name because we don't need clever names. We only need powerful burps. I am Burps Magoo from OnlyFans. You might know me from my work. We are doing burping contests here once a week. I always bring in some new talent that I discover. I think there's a lot of other chicks out there that have fucking amazing burps. And I know I get cocky sometimes if you watch the other videos, but at the end of the day, I can actually admit that some people are better burpers than I am. So first I'm gonna introduce our judge for the evening. You know her, you love her, you've seen her in previous videos. She was the first person I ever won against. Jen Murphy. Jen Murphy, say hello, Jen Murphy. Tell the people at home.
I'll be your judge this evening.
Yeah, and then also I have scouted a new competitor for tonight's edition, and I tell you, I know she's going to be a ringer. I haven't actually seen her work, but I have had people that follow me on OnlyFans, subscribers, tell me that her burps are out of control. They're really fucking good. These are just the ones I'm wasting right now. So, let's give it up for Karma McCain. Everybody, Karma McCain on the show tonight. How you doing?
I'm great. I feel so much pressure. My God, I'm like,
I know, but you know what? Don't feel pressure. Enjoy yourself. I've heard good things about you. So, Jen, tell the people at home tonight what you're going to be looking for.
Thank you. How this is going to work? We're going to do 5 rounds. I will keep score.
Don't worry, Karma. I will be wasting all my good burps off the clock. It's what I always do. I jinx myself.
Week. This is what I'm judging you on. Length, resonance, volume, and originality / creativity.
Are we allowed to, are we allowed to start drinking now? Like, I'm not sure.
Are we ready for round 1?
Let's do it. Round 1, baby.
Okay, round 1. Karma, you are up. So excited.
Oh, she looks good. She's taking it down.
I don't know what that was, but it was a little something.
No, I feel like you get the same, like that, oh yeah, you wait for my first one. I get it. Oh, yeah, 7. Bravo. I think you're coming in strong.
It's the lucky 7, because I feel like it's only going to get better after this.
No, I thought that was good. I feel like she came into the race strong. She brought some A game.
Came in strong, but didn't want to blow her whole load right away. She's like, there's more.
I felt at home with that burp because I was like, that's what happens to me. Sometimes I get too cocky and then I have, like, my burps have a stuttering problem.
Yeah.
Like I can't get everything out in one burp.
All right.
So I really related to that burp, Karma, just so you know.
You're up, Christina.
Okay. All right. So you know I get a little stage fright. Sometimes I like to look away from you guys. When I see my friends on the screen, I get shy. I'm like, I can't, I'm gonna laugh.
She's very dramatic.
Okay, that's it. Okay, that's my first burp.
You know what?
Like, I'm impressed. Yours are like very deep. Sorry. Oh, go ahead. Didn't mean to interrupt.
Oh, I go deep. Oh my God, Karma, always. This is your show, man. You get right in here. Whatever you need to say. I kind of like yours that had the different lengths or had the different. Oh, okay.
I feel like I want to give you like a 7.5. Well, why do
you? I know. Mine always are better after the game's over. I think I just like
7.5 on that one. I don't usually do half points.
I know.
You did have the resonance.
I know. I it's like burps are, they're hard to control. I think
it left me wanting more.
I know.
No.
Oh no. Also, self-deprecation gets you nowhere in this game, Karma.
Oh.
You have to like believe in your burps. You have to love yourself and your burps.
All right, round 2. Karma is up.
Sorry.
Okay, we're very supportive. We love that you got it out. We love it. We love it.
My burps are unpredictable. They seriously like never know what's coming. Like,
I mean, I've heard good work. Like I've heard that you do good work.
I can belch really loud, but like it's not always the same. It's like I don't know. It's just I don't know.
No, we get it.
Six.
No two burps are ever the same.
I call this the devil's score.
The devil's burp. 6, 6, 6.
I feel like your insecurity really fucked with you on that one. The devil got into your brain on that one a little bit.
It happens to me all the time, Karma. It's a normal burp contest situation. The 666 burp. I get it. It's a 6.66 burp. Oh. Am I gonna complain? No, I'm your competitor. But I also love you. I'm the most supportive competitor of all time.
Thank you. You really are.
Christina's up. Round 2.
Very nervous.
So here, I'm gonna bomb. Oh, one in from the judge out of nowhere.
Sometimes you gotta.
And Karma, if you knew Jen's work, you'd be very impressed by that burp.
I know, I'm really good.
Jen is not the best burper. That's actually some of your best work, Jen. Give it up for Jen Murphy. Okay. Okay. This one's for the Giants. I feel like I didn't know if I was scared the shirt was going to be a jinx because usually the Giants always lose, but tonight they were winning.
Yeah.
That's maybe why tonight I might win this, but we don't know that for sure. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. How was that? Should I not have like panned out from the camera so much? Was
No,
I
I
really?
liked it. I liked it a
I
lot.
might say Fox maybe a little more.
I'm gonna. I don't even know what to do with you, Christina. I don't
And
know.
I'm the worst. I only compete once it's over.
You know what?
Once I know I lose, then I feel better about like showing my real game. Oh, am I getting a 5?
I'm
Oh
gonna give you
no.
I'm gonna give you a solid 5 average.
I get it. It wasn't the best.
Although I respect you, you're wasting your good burps. And as a
You know, I deserve that.
professional burper, I feel like you're just not taking this seriously.
I know you're right. I'm phoning it in now. Oh no, I'm like a reality star.
Burps are so good.
I mean, I know I have better karma. You're right. Under pressure, sometimes I can crack a little bit. I do.
This is nerve wracking. This is more nerve wracking than an audition.
No, it's
nerve-wracking.
Oh my God, what is she cracking open over there?
These people watching burp videos, they're like literally connoisseurs. Like we're not catering to our Instagram following who's just looking for a location and us in a bikini. We're like here to actually show a talent. And
that's why I'm like fucking sweating.
I know.
I'm gonna change it up a little as the judge because I'm in charge, and I'm gonna say that round 3, I'm really gonna be focusing the most on creativity.
Okay, I like this. Okay, cool.
Creativity.
Yes.
Cool. Listen, my
You're on,
burps.
Karma. You're on. It's okay because you might just end up farting all that 7-Up, and that's what our listeners really want.
That's so true. Wait till you see the final round, Karma. We haven't prepped you, but there's a special last round.
That's all I got for you guys.
All right, it's pretty good. We're going to give you an applause break.
You know what? I'm going to give you, where is it? Oh, so many papers. I'm going to give you an 8.
What?
Above average.
Yeah.
Because it's not just about it's not just about the burp. I could feel how passionate you were in trying to make a good burp.
Very true.
So that's like an A for effort, even though the result might not have been huge.
I love you guys. Thank you.
Commitment.
We're here for the gassy girls to feel at home. You know, we want gassy girls everywhere to just like unite and love our gas, and don't feel shame. Don't hold them in.
I feel like you really cared about that burp.
Yeah.
What's that?
I feel like you really cared about that burp, and you cared about pleasing the fans.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, that I do enjoy doing.
And sometimes that's further than just the end result.
Yeah. We know what it's like to be women and hold in our gas our entire lives. And we want you to come here and have a safe space to like blow it. Good.
Yeah. All right, Christina, round 3, you're up.
Okay, creativity, right? Creativity. So make me laugh. Okay. Okay. Oh, I ruined it. It was gonna be so funny. Hold on. Hold it. That is good.
I feel like I'm watching Where's Waldo on TikTok.
All right, I think that was it. It wasn't my best work either, but I was trying to be creative. I'm sure when I see the highlight reel, I'll be very disappointed in myself. But that's
okay.
what
I'm gonna give you a 9, Christina, because you tried really hard.
there was a lot of suspense in that one, right?
I feel like this late at night, since you're in New York and it's so late, it probably wasn't easy for you to squat, come up, squat, come up.
That's the most knees oh, sorry.
I know you've been drinking and watching the Giants game, so that was probably a big effort for you to keep bending down.
Most drunk performance ever. Like, oh my God, my knees are the most bruised they've ever been in this pandemic. Just from getting on the floor to come up with that burp video.
Well, we all know because that's because you're not quarantining.
That's true. Jen knows that might not be fully true, but whatever. It's just a few.
Okay, round 4. Guys, we're getting down to the wire. Let's really pull this out.
I know, gosh.
Balls deep, no holds barred.
Balls deep.
Round 4. Karma. I want to hear you burp from down the street because we're only 3 blocks away.
I love it. Yeah. This is how I bring people together. Is burping. Karma's killing it. Yeah, Karma, you got it.
Let's see if I can get something besides a. That was a 3-parter.
I liked it. I like your trilogies.
Yeah, that's
I like it.
I like your trilogy burps. Yeah, no, you're good to switch them out. Oh yeah, you got a 10. Yes.
I'm gonna give it a 10 because I feel like during this contest I've watched your confidence grow. You gave a 3-parter. You didn't give up. You also look like you were so committed that you look like you might throw up a little bit in your mouth at the end. Looked like there was a little bit of.
I'm pretty sure all our viewers like a little.
Yeah.
In the videos, so this is good.
And I also appreciate that you're so beautiful while you're burping, and that deserves a 10.
Karma is definitely a 10.
Yeah. Okay. That was a solid burp.
Right.
Solid. I'm gonna give you a 9 with free nachos.
Those are good. All right. So I just eat a couple and then.
Yeah, do your thing. Enjoy your life.
All right, be right back. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, they're good. Now I'm not going to be able to stop eating them. Thanks, guys. Get off and the whole bag's gone.
I wish we could smell it.
Me too. Oh my God. It's Shazam for burps now. Okay.
Oh wait, I think you have more.
I'm good. Well, no, I mean, no.
I'm gonna give you a lucky 7.
Lucky sevens. Lucky sevens, everyone. Lucky sevens.
'Cause I feel like you're gonna be really lucky if you don't finish that bag. of chips.
I might have to get another drink.
All right, Christina, you're up.
I'm 23. I'm Emily in Paris.
Oh God.
Emily Harris.
Okay. Oh, I feel like this is gonna work though. That's it. Slim Jim burp, right?
I feel like I could taste the meat. Oh, all right.
That was juicy. That was good.
It's juicy. Now the more I chew, I might have burped too prematurely.
That's all right. The second one counted.
Thank God.
I'm gonna give you an 8 for that.
I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take the 8.
'Cause I'm not really sure how you burp out of meat.
Oh,
Sorry.
that was
Oh no.
Last
Yeah.
and final round is how many burps you can do in 15 seconds, and I will time you.
Oh, you're gonna kill it with bubbly water if you got that. I'm telling you.
So when you want to start, just the 15 seconds, just give me a thumbs up and I'll start my timer.
Okay. Oh, wait. I think that's it.
Yep, that's 15 anyways. Good.
Yeah.
That was good. That was good.
You did great. You did great, Karma.
You're self-conscious.
Oh,
Being very self-conscious, but I'm going to give you a 9.
I know.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. I
Free
love it.
nachos. You just have to go to any 7-Eleven and tell them that you won free nachos and they will give them to you.
Yeah. Oh
Seriously,
yeah.
not-
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
That was good.
Is 15 seconds already up? I got more. I'm the Dallas Cowboys of burping. I'm the Giants of burping. Look, New York Giants.
I'm gonna give you a 10 plus a 3 to some. Sneaky, that's your word. I mean, you really killed it. You really killed it on that round.
You guys, I've been holding in a lot of burps for the last 2 days and a lot of farts, but I only really have the place for the burps here. So the farts can slide out. You wouldn't even notice them, but I've been working hard. I've been eating.
I'm gonna add up the score. Talk amongst yourselves. 7 and
I have been eating it. Oh wait, Jen, you forgot the bonus round.
31.
There's always a bonus round. Like if you had to fart, you could.
Oh
Fart.
yeah, you could. If you want to fart, go for it.
I wish I did. I totally would. I would just get right up in there, but I don't have any.
I know. It's harder to fart under pressure, and we get that here at the end.
Well, that's why that's one of the other things too is people would be messaging me, oh, you should eat this so you can fart more. I'm like, I don't want to fart anymore.
I know. No,
I
these
have.
I don't understand. We've been trying to hold in farts for decades. So rude.
Yeah.
It was really close. It was really close, but it ended up 47 to Christina, 52. Christina. You win the Piggy Award.
I'm always up, and then you could fart and win the whole game.
Can
Yeah.
you fart on command too?
Oh, you would win the whole
Yeah.
game if you farted.
I'm a one-trick pony. I'm all burps.
Yeah.
I mean, I fart. I'm a freelance farter. Sometimes they come out, but I can't plan them. I can barely warn you. I definitely can't plan them.
Hold on, wait. Do I have a fart? Let's see.
Tampa.
Recording, can you, because my ass there, hold on.
If you farted right now, I feel like you could steal the game.
Scorecard is torn up.
Oh my god!
We have a new winner.
Crazy to a center. Oh my god!
The tiniest little fart. That was so funny. I thought it was gonna be bigger, but it was not.
No, that was perfect. It was adorable. It was the cutest
Oh my
fart.
god! And guess what? That's all you need to do. Now you're the winner, Karma. One more time for Karma McCain, winning the contest. Oh my god!
You did it.
Now, to wrap this up, Karma, you were fucking amazing. Let everybody know where to find you on social medias.
Well, I'm not really on there right now, but when I come back, it's Karma McCain VIP on Instagram.
Love it. Your feed is amazing. So talented. So great. Jen Murphy Comedy, right, Jen?
Murphy Comedy. And we'll be doing a live Zoom show this Thursday, November 5th.
Yes. I'm Walkin' Sauce and Burps Magoo on TikTok and on OnlyFans. But yeah, you have to come watch me and Jen. We have a Jill and Off show on Thursday, 7 p.m. PST, 10 p.m. New York time. Come watch stand-up comedy. I promise I'll throw a burp or two in the show.
As
You
you
should watch it. And that's November 5th. Because I realize you might watch this, right? People might watch this after.
Whatever.
Well, yeah, it's November 2nd.
But please watch the Jill and Off Zoom show. It'll be fun. Jill and Off.
New burp show next week. Thank you, Karma. You're awesome.
Karma, you're the best. More burping contests to come. Please like, subscribe, rate, tell your friends, comment. You guys have all been really nice.